Hello everyone. Now let us discuss some important terms that are used in photochemistry or the colorimetric analysis. Transmittance. Transmittance is defined as the ratio of the intensity of the transmitted light to the intensity of the incident light. So mathematically we write T is equal to IT by I0. Next one is absorbance or optical density that we measure in the colorimeter. So optical density or absorbance is defined as the logarithm of a ratio of the intensity of the incident light to the intensity of the transmitted light. That is, we write it as OD or A, that is absorbance, is equal to log of the ratio of the intensity of the incident light, that is I0 by IT. But we know that IT by I0 is equal to T. So substituting this value, we can get the equation as absorbance or optical density is equal to log of I0 by IT that we have defined for the absorbance or OD. That we can write in terms of transmittance as log of I0 by IT is equal to log 1 upon T, because transmittance is IT by I0, or we can also write log 1 upon T as minus log of T. So absorbance can be written as minus log T also, or we can write absorbance is equal to log I0 by IT. Okay. Now let us define the next term, that is absorptivity, that we denote by epsilon. According to Lambert-Beer's law, we have the equation log I0 by IT is equal to K by 2.303 into T into C. So log I0 by IT is equal to epsilon into T into the concentration C, because the absorptivity is the constant term that we introduce instead of the two constant terms, that is K by 2.303. Okay, so this is the equation that we get, and we define absorptivity as a constant term. So minus log T is equal to A, or A is equal to epsilon into C into T. See, from the above equation, log I0 by IT, as we have taken from the equation 1, we have absorbance is equal to log I0 by IT. So instead of this, we can write A. So we can write absorbance is equal to epsilon into C into T. Now see, here we have epsilon, that is absorptivity, as a constant term. T, that is the thickness of the medium. Path length is also constant we are taking. So sometimes we define Lambert's law, the combined Lambert-Beer's law, as absorbance is directly proportional to the concentration of the solution. So A is equal to epsilon into C into T, or it is equal to A, we know it is equal to, we have derived just now, it is equal to minus log T. So we can write this as A is equal to minus log T, or it is equal to epsilon into C into T. Next term we define is molar absorptivity. So we have this equation minus log T is equal to A is equal to epsilon C T. Now when in the equation A is equal to epsilon C T, we have the concentration of a solution in moles per liter and the thickness of the medium T is taken in centimeter, we get A is equal to epsilon, because C is moles per liter and 1 mole per liter and T is 1 centimeter. So we define epsilon as the molar absorption coefficient or molar absorptivity, whose unit is liter per mole per centimeter, or liter mole inverse centimeter inverse. So when the concentration is 1 mole per liter and thickness is 1 centimeter, we define absorptivity as molar absorptivity, and at that time absorbance is equal to the molar absorptivity. Next term is percentage transmittance. See, using the colorimeter we can measure the percentage transmittance of the given solution. Transmittance is defined as the ratio of intensity of the transmitted light to the intensity of the incident light, that we know transmittance is equal to IT by I0. Now from this we have to derive the equation for the percentage T. So percentage T means in terms of 100 in terms of percent. So percentage T is equal to IT by I0 into 100. We can rewrite this equation as IT by I0 is equal to percentage T by 100. Now we know that log T is equal to minus A, or A is equal to minus log T. That is, we write A is equal to minus log of IT by I0. Okay. So A is equal to minus log of, instead of now IT by I0, if we want to write in terms of percentage t, we can substitute this value in this equation. So we get A is equal to minus log of percentage t by 100. Simplifying this equation, we get A is equal to minus of log percentage t minus log 100. Therefore, A is equal to minus log percentage t plus 2. Log 100 is 2. So, the value of A, absorbance, will be equal to 2 minus log percentage t. See, sometimes in few instruments that we use, colorimeter, we are given only with the absorbance knob, or we have only percentage t. So, using this relation, we can determine absorbance if percentage t is given, or we can determine percentage transmittance if the absorbance value is known. Thank you.